Hi, it's Jason from Jordanbikes. Today I've got for you Harley Davidson XL1200L. Look at this belter. Lashings of chrome. Chrome everywhere. Chrome pipes, highway pegs, engine bars, chrome switchgear. We've sold it before, happy to sell it again. Mega low mileage. 1,886 miles, that's all it's done. And it's a 2008 on a 58 plate. Absolutely spotless. Really is a lovely bike. Leather panniers, backrest. It's got the Vance and Hines pipes, and it's also got a fuel module on there as well, so it fuels better. Chrome wheels, chrome forks, stanchions, everything. It's just a beautiful bike. It really is nice. You've got your touring screen on there. That comes off with a couple of bolts if it's not your thing, but it is absolutely lovely. Well, give it a start for you so you can hear it. Oh, you fighter. It's a loud one, isn't it? Look at that, 1,886 miles. You just don't find them in this condition and this mileage. It's even got the Harley heated grips just on the end there. Nice little addition. All the switch gears, chrome. It is beautiful. Really is nice. And I said just that mileage alone, 1,886 miles. That's all it's done. Be quick. It sold very quickly last time. I'm sure it'll do that again. So come down to Jordan Bikes, take a look for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.